Hey everybody, it's Brett Watkins with Premier Home Experts and RE/MAX Champions. So I'm out here at a home. It's under contract currently, and it's an FHA loan. And just something I wanted to fill you in. When you have an FHA loan, it's government backed. And what that means, there's some advantages and some disadvantages to an FHA loan. The main thing being that it's a lower down payment. On the other hand, if you're going to have an FHA loan, your house has to meet certain standards. There will be an FHA appraiser that'll come out and he'll look at the place and make sure that it's up to snuff. You just can't go buying any old piece of junk house. So one of the things is I'm out here to repair something on a home that's under contract with one of my clients, and it seems something real simple, but it's something that if an FHA appraiser will probably flag. And let me turn this around and show you. This is just an exterior electric outlet. The problem being there's no cover. Well, there's part of a cover, but the face is missing. And you know, appraisers are people too. They may or may not flag that, but we're not going to take any chances. So Mr. Handyman Realtor is out here to fix this because no one else seems to want to do it. And anyway, that's kind of it for today. I just wanted to keep you aware that FHA loans, they come with some requirements as to the condition of the house. Talk to you next time.